chicken. I stay with them Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets, man. Shoot, but whatever one's is your favorite, man. Hey, turn this off real quick. Chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, yeah, yeah. Chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, yeah, yeah. Chicken and nuggets, chicken nuggets, chicken nuggets, yeah, yeah. Hey, I chicken on your nuggets. Watch me chicken on your nuggets. Watch me chicken on your nuggets. Watch me chicken on my nuggets. Yeah, chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, yeah, yeah. Chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, yeah, yeah. Watch me put that chicken nugget in that ketchup sauce. Watch me put that chicken nugget in that honey mustard. Watch me put that chicken nugget in that ketchup sauce. Cause you know I'm a boss, better call me Rick Ross. Chicken nugget, oh chicken nugget, yeah, that junk so good. Let me eat it up so nice. Yeah, I ain't from the hood, suburbs all day though. Go to Chick-fil-A though. Eat that when I say though. I want chicken nuggets, yo. Let me get that chicken. Let me get them nuggets. Yeah, I want good. Yeah, I ain't no hugging. Let me get that chicken. Let me get them nuggets. Yeah, I ain't good, but I know I love it. Look, chicken on my nuggets. Chicken on your nuggets. Chicken on my nuggets. Chicken on your nuggets. Chicken on my nuggets. Chicken on your nuggets. Chicken on your nuggets. Chicken on my nuggets. Chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, yeah, yeah. Chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, chicken and nuggets, yeah, yeah. Chicken and nuggets, chicken nuggets, chicken nuggets, yeah, yeah. When I got a hunger that's feeling abundant, but I'm on a budget, I go get the nuggets. I hate on my homie, he told me to grab him some too, but he knew I done it already. Whether it's 5, 10, or 20 a piece, there's plenty so everyone eats. I tend to drop the line into a feast. Feel like I eat nuggets every week. Sometimes I get them along with some fries. Sometimes I get them as one of my sides. Sometimes I get them and make them get saucy. Sometimes I get them and dip them in frosty. Gotta get his and hers, cause anything worse is stealing from wifey. In all of the seasons of flavors, you learn to savor the ones that are spicy. Nuggets in life, I'm told, are worth their weight in gold. I'm hoping the folks will know it's more than food to go. It's actually food for your soul. Nuggets in life, I'm told, are